Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Vivo Y100 smartphone. In this video, you will learn how you can change display text size in your phone Vivo Y100. First of all, go to the settings of your phone here. Then go to display and brightness. Then go to font and display size. Here you will see display size option. If you want to increase display text size, you go to move this point to the right side, or you can also use this plus symbol to increase. Okay, this is very large size. You can see the preview here. If you are using any messaging service or any text service, the font size will be applied. Okay, this is the text size for using those text services. Okay, if you want to decrease the display text size, you go to move this point to the left side. Okay, this is leftmost size, and this is very minimum text size. Okay, if you want to set in a default, you can fix in second point, and this will restore to the standard default text size. Okay, also you can use restore default option here, and it will reset to the original position. So in this way you can easily change display text size in your phone Vivo Y100. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.